Every day, kitchens throw away something that could dramatically improve plant health, strengthen roots, repel insects, and even help prevent disease naturally. Orange peels. Most people see them as waste, but hidden inside those peels are natural oils, minerals, organic compounds, and protective plant chemicals that can become an incredibly effective liquid tonic for almost any garden. The process begins with extraction. Take fresh orange peels and cut them into smaller pieces. The smaller the pieces, the more surface area the water can reach, allowing the beneficial compounds to release more efficiently into the liquid. Place the chopped peels into a clean glass jar or container, then pour in enough water to fully submerge every piece. Place the chopped peels into a clean glass jar or container, then pour in enough water to fully submerge every piece. Seal the container tightly and store it in a cool, dark place for exactly 48 hours. During this waiting period, something important begins happening inside the jar. The water slowly absorbs natural citrus oils, potassium, calcium, and bioactive compounds. Unlike boiling, which can destroy delicate plant compounds through heat exposure, this cold infusion method preserves them in a much gentler and more stable form. This is what makes the tonic unusually effective. As the extraction continues, the water gradually changes color. By the end of the 48-hour period, the liquid develops a yellow-orange tint, along with a sharp citrus aroma. That fragrance is not just a smell. It signals that the water is now carrying concentrated natural oils and active organic compounds from the peels. Now strain the liquid carefully using a fine cloth or mesh strainer, separate all solid peel material, and keep only the infused liquid. This concentrated extract becomes the foundation of the tonic, but it still needs one final step before use. To create the proper spray solution, dilute the concentrate using 1 part orange tonic and 4 parts plain water. Mix thoroughly so the solution becomes evenly balanced. Then transfer the diluted liquid into a clean spray bottle or watering container depending on how you plan to apply it. At this point, the tonic is fully prepared. First, it provides dissolved nutrients that plants can absorb far more quickly through leaves and roots than many dry organic materials. Second, the citrus oils create an environment many common garden pests strongly avoid, and this is where the real transformation begins. The reason this orange peel tonic works so effectively is because the nutrients are suspended directly inside liquid form. When nutrients remain dissolved in water, plants can absorb them much faster. Potassium and calcium support stronger stems and healthier leaf development. Powerful aromatic citrus compounds also create a natural protective barrier that many insects naturally avoid without harsh chemicals. Apply through root feeding for deep nourishment or as a foliar spray to protect leaves from pests like aphids and spider mites. For consistent results, apply once every week. Within weeks, you'll notice darker leaves, firmer stems, and reduced pest activity. But the most overlooked benefit of this tonic is something many gardeners never expect.